So we just seen a moment ago how we ran off the readings that we got in our console down here. Just going to comment that out. That was more for testing purposes. But we want to target the place now where you want to display the status on a page. So I talked to you about this previously. But basically I'm going to create a little variable here and I'm going to call it div current status. So div current status. And then I'm going to use the document object model. So this says, right, your HTML page, on it, I want to grab or target a particular element by its ID. Right? I want to target a particular element by its ID. So the element you want to target goes in here. So what is that particular element that we want to grab? So we want to go back up here to our HTML and have a look at the element that we want to target. And it's this fella here. Current status. Current status. So remember, that's one of the reasons we gave it an ID. So we could target this particular element by its ID. And we're calling it current status. So I'm just going to copy that so we don't make any mistakes. And I'm going to put that in there instead of the element name. So now we've targeted that. That's good stuff. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to display the current status. Current status. And to do that, I'm just going to go div current status, and we use the method .inner HTML. It's a bit funny here, HTML all spelled large, is equal to, well, whatever we got up here for our status. Whatever we got for our status. So we put that down there. Don't forget your semicolon to block it off. So now, if I run this, you will see that our current status is off. So let me refresh this on the page. Current status is off. It's going to go up in a second. It's taking a while to, maybe I didn't refresh there. Current status off. So that should be a bit better. It should be in line, but I think I need to do some CSS to style that. So if I run this now again, or maybe it is, oh, it's still running actually. So go back in here, and if I press the on button on the microbit, hopefully that status will change to on, and it does. You can see it up here, change to on. Press off on the microbit, it changes to off. Press on, it changes to on. And so we're working there. See you in the next video where we want to do one or two more things in terms of color.